Definitely just got pulled over, y'all. That's crazy.
Alright, man, thank you for changing the color.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
Yeah, you're good. So
fucking green though. Holy shit, man.
It's weird. Your insurance, I'm gonna trust you have insurance on the vehicle.
I do. Yeah.
Just it says Kia Stinger.
Oh no, you gotta flip it.
Oh. Okay, that's not bad then. Alright.
You good. That's my wife's car. You good.
Oh, okay. Alright, well then. Hey. Just remember red, green, blue is prohibited. Alright.
Got you.
But I guess this is white or pink or whatever it is.
It might be white, but I'll probably just go to fucking purple or yellow or something.
That's fine. Yeah. All right. Now you're good.
Awesome. Thank you. So, yeah, that's an MP that just rode past me. Definitely got pulled over, man. Definitely just got pulled over. And what's wild about it is, I don't know. I've done it before. But I guess today just wasn't the day to roll with certain colors on my Underglow. But yeah, man, nothing too crazy, nothing too emotional, none of that shit. But let me cut my headlights on, I'm tripping. But yeah, man, no ticket, none of that. Check the insurance, check the registration, license, everything good. But he didn't flip over my damn insurance paper where he would have seen my car on there. He just saw my wife's Kia Stinger on there. But yeah, man, I don't know what to really take from that. I guess nothing. Just don't roll green on base, something like that. But yeah, man, anyway, y'all, listen, man, I got some stuff in the mail for the car that's going to get put on probably tonight/tomorrow. But what I'm doing this week is I'm giving y'all a video every day through Sunday. And yeah, so just stay tuned, man. Listen, subscribe if you're new. I'm sorry this video ain't no big time viral video, you know what I'm saying? And I started recording late because I ain't think about that. But yeah, no ticket, none of that. He let me go. And yeah, man, done deal. Short and sweet, straight to the point. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow.